Winter is coming. Are you ready? Welcome to our guide on winter superfoods. Listen, winter's coming and it's bringing that bone-chilling cold that can make you want to curl up and hibernate. But don't think for a minute that you can slack off on your health just because the sun's gone into hiding. We're going on a culinary journey, packed with flavour and designed to build you up, not weigh you down. Today, we'll explore the top foods to keep you healthy this season. Get ready to transform your winter from dreary to downright delicious. Kale. It's not just rabbit food. First up, we've got kale. Yeah, I know, you're thinking it's rabbit food. But trust me, this leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K. We're talking immunity boost, strong bones, the works. Don't go limp, get creative. Salads are a given, but wilt it down with some garlic and olive oil, sneak it into smoothies, or even bake it into crispy chips for a healthy snack. Sweet potatoes, the sexy spud. Next, we're diving into the vibrant world of sweet potatoes. This isn't your soggy, bland potato. We're talking vibrant colour and a natural sweetness that will make you forget about those sugary snacks. Roasted, mashed, or pureed into a silky soup, sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and bursting with beta-carotene. That means glowing skin and sharp vision, even when it's dark and dreary outside. Pomegranates, jewels of winter. Now let's talk pomegranates, the ruby jewels of winter. These little pods are bursting with antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off damage in your body. Don't be intimidated by the seeds. Sprinkle those babies on salads for a burst of flavour and crunch, or get busy juicing them for a vibrant, refreshing drink. Chapter 4. Brussels sprouts. Don't you dare overcook them. Listen up, because this is crucial. Brussels sprouts. I've seen more people murder these in the kitchen than I care to remember. Overcooked, they're grey, mushy, and smell like a swamp. But roasted with a touch of olive oil, salt, pepper, and maybe a hint of garlic. Forget about it. Crunchy, nutty, and packed with fibre and vitamins. Let's be honest, winter can be bloody depressing. That's where citrus fruits come in. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits. They're like a ray of sunshine in every bite. And it's not just about the taste. We're talking a vitamin C injection straight to your immune system. Freshly squeezed juice, zesty salad dressings, or simply peeled and enjoyed on their own, citrus fruits are a must-have for a delicious and healthy winter. Ginger. It's not for the faint of heart, but if you can handle a little heat, this root is a game changer. We're talking serious anti-inflammatory power here, soothing your sore throats and sniffles before they even think about starting. Spice up your life with ginger teas, fragrant stir-fries, or hearty soups. Finally, we're finishing strong with garlic. Yes, it might scare away vampires, but more importantly, it sends those winter bugs running for the hills. This pungent little bulb is a natural immune booster. Don't be shy. Roast it whole with your vegetables, mince it finely into sauces, or add it generously to soups for a flavour punch that will knock your socks off. There you have it, my friends. No more excuses for letting winter get the best of you. We've armed you with the knowledge. Now it's time to get in the kitchen and get cooking. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and enjoy these winter superfoods. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips.